Hello and welcome to the Real Time Forex Trader. We're here trading euro dollar in London. This is the IG platform. We've got one short on at the moment. This is the tick chart. 1 second, 10 seconds, 1 minute. As you can see, it's had a good run down from 105.75 to 50. It's had a hard floor at 50, bounced off it, come back up to what, 57. Up round here, we've got the short on just afterwards. It's now pulling down again. We're 1 pip in the money. It's not much. Is it going to stay under this trend line? Is it going to test 50 again? That is the question. I should have probably been a little bit more aggressive and got a short on a bit earlier as it climbed 8 pips off the bottom. But we're by no means out of the woods yet. We just need to see whether this level of 50 is going to get tested again. And it's coming down again. Could get another short on there. Open this up. So what we're looking for is somewhere below. Are we going to take it? Well, yeah, let's see if it spikes below 50. If it does, we'll catch it. But we just need to be wary of this trying to run away from us into an uptrend, which could very, very easily happen. So what do we get our shorts on at? 56, 50. See, we could have got one on there at 57. You know, we're right down here at the bottom of the market. It's bounced off this 75 level about 3 times today. That was it earlier in the day. Really don't want to get caught too short down here with too many shorts on. You know, this can quite easily pull back a bit more off the bottom. And then 10-minute chart looking like the uptrend's broken. 15 minutes, same. Hour. Still in an uptrend, but hasn't been able to break above this 89 level. So need to be careful. I mean, all it's been doing today is rising. Come back down to the 1 minute. It's beginning to run away from us. Forming up above the trend line. We're just looking for this to be a pullback and for a downtrend to continue, but it might not unfold that way. And as you see, it keeps grinding higher. This just grinding higher. So I think we'll be out of this any chance of a profit down here. Our average price 55. So we just need this in the 54s and ideally the 53s. This is why we needed to let it pull back from the bottom before we got any shorts on. But it's just grinding higher. We might have been got ourselves into this far too early. But we shall see. 56, 57. Yeah, 57. We could get another short on it. You know, it's just grinding higher. I mean, at what point does it have to come up to for the sellers to be tempted to sell again? That is the issue here, really. So it's looking like it might not have a lot higher to go. I mean, it's tried being up here once, it's done it twice. But you see the sellers just not tempted in yet to push it back down like they were there. Well, bang, we'll have some of that. We'll have that, see if we can it's just, look, it's just climbing now. So are there any sellers around 60? Is that going to bring it back down? We've been in this 5 minutes now. It's risen up off the bottom. Buyers at 50 here looking very comfortable. Is that what I should have been doing? I mean, that was a lovely scalp. Absolutely lovely. I was having a break and having lunch at time. Typical. I seem to miss a lot of these good moves. That's one of the reasons I want to get my programming coded up so that the code can catch all these for me. So we're up at 60. Our highest sale is 58.2. It's one pip lower than where we are now. I don't want that many shorts on at the bottom of the market, just in case it runs all the way back up to 75. And the market more than capable of that. Now then, some sellers stepping back in. One position coming to break even, back on the side. If we can get it down to 52s, maybe even 53 would do. Yeah, 53 would do. Our lowest is on at 54.1. So anything 53 would do on the offer. But has it got it? Has it got it in it? Yeah, that's a 10 pip pullback from the bottom. This could be, that 60 could be where it turns. Could well be where it turns. Let's see if the sellers step in. Just a question now, sellers overwhelming the buyers, and can they get it down into the low 50s? So we're getting close to a break even. Excuse me. We're in profits. If we can get the last one back on side, we'll take that. So we need 53 on the offer. It's amazing how every time it just comes down to like break evens and profits, it instantly pulls away from it. So that was 55. Yeah, definitely some buyers down there. So we're back up near 60s now. We know there's a lot of buyers down at 55. We need our average price higher than that. So if we can get some on at 60s, which is nearly there. Right, if we can get them on at 60s, we're now above 55. And if we can get some on the way back down, if it's going to fall. We're just looking. So we want to be out at 55. That'll do us nicely. Right, let's get ready to take this manually if we can. If it comes to it. So our average price 57.1. We need that to be in the 55s. To get out of this with a quick scalp, which is what we'll see that. Very close. See, there's sellers there, but they're pushing it above it. We need this a bit higher. Just to get filled, although I don't know. If it's going to drop, it might drop lower than that. We'll see. A scalp's a scalp, a profit's a profit. I mean, we must be getting close to getting filled here. Very close. God, so close. That must have been within a whisker. 55.3. Actually, we're probably a pip off it. I should have probably taken that £3.25 there. What did I say? 55.3. We're going to get filled anyway. So we just need a couple of sells to come in. And if anything, I'd say I've got the take profit set too high, and the next decent push lower, we'll just fill it. We're just not quite there yet. Right, this is looking likely. It's getting back down there. 55.9. Yeah, it's been lower than this. Come on, this should get filled any time now. There we go, filled. That's how you scalp. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy, please like, please subscribe, and please support the channel.